Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be learning about creating groups in Debian based system. So there are two commands. One is group add and one is add group. Okay. Both will be working in Debian based system. If we see which group add, you can see the path of the group add file. If you see which add group, you can see the path of the add group file. Okay. So let's go to the file, the directory user has been lsal grep, let's say group. So there are two things. Okay, one is group add and one is add group, but you can see here add group is linking to add user file. Means you can think add user and user add group should be working same, and if add user is creating the user, then add group should also create user, not group. Okay, but let's say we do the experiment. Okay, I create one user, add user u1, let's give the password. If we see now, the user got created. Okay, if I see u1, the user got created and one group also in the name u1, that is default. Okay, let's say I'm creating the group, add group g1 let. If I see now, cat etc password, g1 is not the user, only it's the group. If we see tail etc group, then you can see the g1 group is created. Then how the both the commands are working differently, where both are linking to the same file. Like if both add group and add user are same, means add group is pointing to add user command, then how both are working differently. So let's go to this add user file and see. Theme add user. So you can see if I write add group. Okay, you can see here there are two things. Don't go through the syntax. Just I'm explaining the concept. Okay, here they have set one variable. It is add group and add user. Okay, so you can see here if the action is add user, then it will create the user, add this user, and if the action is add group, then it will create the group. Okay, so even if the add group command is linking to, like pointing to add user command, but inside the add user file, the executable file, it is like verifying like which command has been executed. If the command is add user, then create the user. If the command is add group, then create the group. Okay, so that's why add user command will create the user and add group command will create the group. Fine. And so I created one group, tell one tc group. You can see the group here. Let's check the documentation. Okay, so I don't see any difference between group add and add group. Like if you see, sorry, both will work same only. If you see here, add group, you can give the GID. Here also you can group the group ID, and you can create the system user here, system group. Here also you can create system group. You can add the groups, like while creating the group you can also add the user. Like if you give like this, let's say user, sorry, group add. Let's say I'm creating g2, I'll give a flag hyphen capital U, and let's say u1. So if you see now ID U1, you can see G2 is like added as the secondary group of U1. Okay. So I don't see any proper difference between add group and group add. Like everything that group add can do can also be done using group add group. So for now, I'm stopping with this. If you guys know any difference about this, please let me know in the comment section. I'll make one video out of that. So yeah, thank you all guys.